Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows Firewall service is not running. To start, enter Firewall in the search box. Open Windows Defender Firewall. There, click on Restore Defaults. In this new window, click again on the Restore Defaults button. Click Yes to confirm this operation. After this, in the search enter CMD. Open this terminal as administrator and click Yes to authorize. In the console, run the command that you see on the screen, thanks to which the system image will be repaired. Wait for this command to execute. When finished, confirm if there are any errors. After that, scan the file system, run the command sfc/scannow, press enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see the analysis percentage. When the process completes, confirm if any errors were detected. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.